Good day. I am Antonio Canisales Jr., 37 years old, butcher deboner from Philippines. Today I'll show you how to debone a half carcass of swine. First, I'm sharpening my knife. Remove the blood together with the kidney. Next, remove the tenderloin. Then I will proceed to the primal cut. These are the parts: the lower or the hind part, the middle consists of belly and loin, the upper or the shoulder parts. Now I will proceed to debone the lower part. First, remove the ham leg. Next, remove the H bone. Remove the excess skin. Lastly, I will remove the femur bone. These are the part: the round, top round, silver side, rump, and the eye round. Then I will proceed to debone the upper, which is the shoulder part. First, I sharpen my knife. Remove the blood clots and defects. I make around here to easily remove the shoulder blade. Then remove the neck bone together with the ribs. Remove the excess spots. Then cut the connection of the humerus bone to the shoulder blade or scapula. Remove the scapula. Remove the scapula. This is the scapula. Then lastly, I will remove the shoulder leg. This is the shoulder leg. And these are the parts: the Boston basket, polar pack, picnic, and the brisket.